All right, let's break down some experiments. Hey, the first part you need to know is definitions of these variables here. The independent variable is what we change. In the pig story, it was the amount of medicine. The dependent variable is what changes because of the independent variable. In the pig story, that was the health of the pig. Constants are things that stay the same. For instance, in the pig story, they each got the same amount of food. They each should have been the same size pig, and so on. And then your control group, that's generally the hardest question. Control group is your standard for comparison. That's what you're going to look at. The easiest way to find that is to look for a placebo or a fake medicine or something that's given water or something that is changing it. So in the pig story, the pig that got the water shot, that was our control. So let's look at an experiment. So Mrs. M created a secret ingredient for breath mints. This is the same experiment as the Krusty Krabs experiment. So you should have already gone through this, but this one is for drinking coffee. The question is, does the secret ingredient help with bad breath? The independent variable is whether they got the secret ingredient or not. The dependent variable should be the pleasantness of the breath, or how if the breath got better or not. Hypothesis in this case was that the ingredient worked. Some constants, if you look through this, you can say they all drank coffee, each person got a new breath mint, and then they chose 100 coffee drinkers to do that. Everybody had bad breath in that case, so constants are things that stay the same. And the control group in this one's a little tougher. The 50 people received a regular breath mint in this case. It doesn't say they got water, but this is a regular breath mint because we're testing to see if the ingredient works. And in this case, this one did not have the ingredient, so if group B got better with just a plain old breath mint, it may not be the ingredient that's doing the job. So control in this case is group B. Thanks for pointing out that this video did work. Have a great